And we will say good morning. This is roatanweather.org for Wednesday, October 5th, 2022. I thought it would be good to do a video update again as we are still concerned about Invest 91L. Overnight, some of the things that have changed is that most of the computers are nudging it a little further south. So there's a better chance, it seems this morning, that this is going to be a storm for Nicaragua. But one of the things we need to keep an eye on is the amount of rain that we have in our forecast. There's definitely some flooding concerns for the Bay Islands. This is this morning's National Hurricane Center advisory. It gives it an 80% chance of forming over the next 5 days. So that takes us into Sunday. One thing I wanted to point out that has to do with our immediate weather, we have this group of showers and thunderstorms going a little slower than we thought. Originally, we thought this would give us a lot of rain Wednesday through Friday. Still, later on today, we may get some rain, but it now looks like a heavy rain situation for Thursday through Saturday. And that takes us almost right up to the time when 91L will be approaching. So here is 91L, and it is approaching Trinidad right now. It's going to start having interaction with the coast, a little bit like Ian did a couple of weeks ago. And so that will keep it weaker, and so perhaps not really forming into a cyclone until it emerges off the coast of Colombia, not Colorado. Wanted to show you some of the computer models. There are still some models that pull it northward, and of course this is the most concern for us. It's still in the realm of possibility that it goes a little further north. Most of them still have it going south of us. That could still bring us quite a bit of rain. So let's take a look at the US model here. And this is Sunday. It has the storm approaching the Nicaragua coast, which is better than a couple days ago. It showed it coming straight towards us. As we go forward in time, you'll notice the North American GFS model has it coming north after it hits the coast and pretty much coming over us. This would be as a tropical storm after it emerges from the mainland of Honduras, whereas the European model has it staying south of us and going into the Pacific. This has a great deal of, this makes a big difference for us. If you look at the wind forecast currently, if you look at the European model here, it shows east winds peaking over the island Monday night into Tuesday around 25 miles an hour. Nothing unusual. It's almost like a heavy trade wind for us. But of concern for us would be the GFS, the US model, having it coming closer to us. This would be Tuesday night into Wednesday. Winds closing in on 15 miles per hour, which obviously could do some damage to power lines, trees, things like that. So still definitely a possibility of some wind threat from this storm. And of course, the track right now is highly unknown. So we need to be prepared for whatever occurs. The Canadian model, again, kind of also picks up this northern jog and brings it closer to us. Now, the concern about rain, because this will be on top of whatever rain we get in the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday time period. So I thought I would look at the total precipitation predicted. You can see today, this is Wednesday, some scattered showers, but nothing too great. But starting Friday, we're going to start picking up a lot more rain, and through Saturday, and this actually has us Sunday into Monday in the purples here. And the purples, as you can see over here, are getting close to 200 millimeters, 25 millimeters per inch. So we're talking 8 inches of rain if this comes to pass. And as far as the GFS, the US model, when it comes to rain, it gets a little less rain in the Thursday, Friday, Saturday time period, but still a good amount in the 3 to 4 inch range. But then, because it brings the tropical storm closer to us, you can see the path it predicts the tropical storm will take is just to our south, which would bring us many inches of rain, and the coast here, the Ceiba area, a foot of rain, maybe more than that. So certainly would be flooding rains if it came north, and that would be a deep concern for us when it comes to the mainland's infrastructure. So that's where it looks like today. Expect some rain today, more rain in the period Thursday through Saturday, still calm winds in this time period. But then the time for concern about the storm, Monday, Tuesday, perhaps Wednesday. If you'd like to support us, patreon.com/Roatan Weather, so that we can subscribe to more weather services. And also you can read us daily on roatanweather.org. Thanks.